about to learn another New Zealand classic, some more Nesian Mystik for you. So if you enjoy learning New Zealand songs, consider subscribing, because we release new tutorials every week. Okay, so here's how we're going to do this, right? We're going to start with our D major 7 chord, and to do that we're going to bar the 5th fret, the top 5 strings, so not the low E string. Okay, so we've got our bar there. Then we're going to use our little finger on the 7th fret of our B string, or our 2nd string. Okay, and then our middle finger is going to go to our 6th fret of our G string. Yuck! And our ring finger is going to go to the 7th fret of our D string. Okay, like that. That's called a D major 7. Okay, so we're going to pluck this chord twice. So our thumb is going to be playing this 5th string, our A string, which is the D note there. And our other 3 fingers here are going to be playing our G string, D string, G string, B string. Okay? So basically the middle 4 strings of the guitar, not the low E and not the high E, not being played. Okay, so with those 4 fingers, those 3 and their thumb, you're going to pluck the chord twice. 1, 2, like that. Then we're going to use our first finger to slide from our 5th fret, the top 2 strings, the high B and E string, and slide from our 5th to the 7th fret, like so. So you play the notes once on the right hand, and then slide up to the 7th fret, okay? So again, play the chord twice, slide those 2 notes, okay, again, bum, bum, slide. Okay, next we're going to play an E chord, okay, as an A-shaped bar chord on the 7th fret. So our bar now is going to be on the 7th fret, again, not barring this low string here, our low E, and then also barring on the 9th fret on our B, G, and D strings. Okay, I do that by just lying down my 3rd finger across there and just not playing this high E. Okay, so I have a bar on the 7th fret, and then I have a little bar on the 9th fret across those 3 strings, like that. Okay, if you want, you can use your middle finger to support that 9th fret finger. Toe toko, like so. Okay, so you're going to play that once. So D major 7, slide, play that chord once. Okay, you're only going to play it once. And then you're going to slide this time from the 7th fret to the 9th fret on the 2 higher strings. Okay, so far we have chord, slide, chord, slide. Now, next part is, and we're going to play this F sharp minor 7 chord at the top this time. So our bar has gone from the 5th fret to the 7th fret, and now it's going to the 9th fret. And then we use our middle finger to play on the 10th fret of your B string, and your ring finger is going to be on the 11th fret of the D string. Okay, our bass every time is on this A string. Okay. So we're going to pluck that chord once, slap, and then we're going to play. So to do that, we're not playing the bass anymore, we're just going to use these 3 fingers to pluck the chord. So pluck it once, twice, and on the 2nd time, you're also going to take your little finger, which has just been sitting there doing nothing, you lazy little fella, and he's going to go onto the 12th fret of your B string to give us that note. And then take him off again. Okay? So again, so we slide on up to that 9th fret, chord, slap, and then we play the chord again with the chord, play the chord again, little finger on, and then little finger off. Okay? Slap, like that. Okay? Okay, so for that we're doing dun, dun, slap, and then a quick up, a quick pluck again. So yeah, so little finger off, little finger on, slap, and then little finger off, like that. Yeah, it's quite cool if you can get that little slap, Alright, so let's put that together slowly. Okay, like that. Now, would you play in the original track? You know that riff is going throughout the whole song, and that's totally fine. I would consider changing up for the chorus when they're saying the Mista, Mista, can't you see? Just play some chords without all the riff. So you could just play D major 7, E, F sharp minor 7. Just give it a strum, and that's cool. Or you could play a variation chord. That's a nice one. Is a D major 9 chord. Okay, so middle finger, 5th fret of the A string, first finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Then you're going to use your ring finger on the 5th fret of your B string like that, and little finger on the 6th fret of your G string. Woo-hoo! Okay, so 5, 4. 6, 5. Okay, and you can even use that, leave that open E. Okay, D major 9, a good variation, and then you can just play like your everyday E chord that you already know, and then to our F sharp minor, you play like a F sharp minor 11, which is middle finger on the 2nd fret of the lower string, ring finger on the 2nd fret of your D string, and then little finger on the 2nd fret of your G string. Okay, to give you that chord. So again, D major 9, E, F sharp minor 11. Just some variation ideas before you go back to the main part. And that's the whole song. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful. Like I said earlier, if you want to learn more New Zealand music, go on and give us a subscribe. Also comment with what song you want to learn next. I'm old. I don't know what songs you want to learn. I don't know what's cool. I don't listen to the radio. So that would be really helpful. God bless you guys. See you later.